To pay your Amazon Prime Visa using a check, follow these steps. First, obtain a check payment coupon from the Chase website or by contacting their customer service. You will need your account information to access the payment coupon. Write a check payable to Chase for the amount you want to pay towards your Amazon Prime Visa. Include your account number on the check to ensure the payment is applied correctly. Next, fill out the payment coupon with your account information and the amount you are paying. Detach the coupon from the payment stub and include it with your check. Make sure to sign the check and keep a record of the payment, including the check number and date. Mail the check and payment coupon to the address listed on the coupon or the Chase website. It is recommended to use a trackable shipping method to ensure the payment is received. Allow 7 to 10 business days for the payment to be processed and applied to your account. It is essential to note that Chase may charge a late fee if the payment is not received by the due date. To avoid this, send the payment at least 7 to 10 business days before the due date. You can also set up automatic payments or pay online to avoid missing a payment. In addition to paying by check, you can also pay your Amazon Prime Visa bill online, by phone, or through the Chase mobile app. These methods are faster and more convenient, and you can avoid late fees by setting up automatic payments. However, if you prefer to pay by check, following these steps will ensure your payment is processed correctly and applied to your account.